Today we're gonna be installing a ejector harness on a 2008 Dodge Caravan. This is the injector harness. Okay, we got to remove the plenum. So we have exhaust pipe here. We got to come out. And you just hold it to the side right there. And we got a pipe there. Hose seal. Plug here. Remove the breather. Have a little hose back here. And remove the intake. Top line. Let's have a look. Top plenum. You leave the daughter body attached to the plenum. And these the plugs that go bad. For some reason they burn out. The problem's burnt out of it. So as you can see in there, you can see that at the bottom on the left, that little dark spot, you can see that it's missing. Turn it so you can see it missing. Right there. And this the bottom. You can see what that little part is. There's a little piece still stuck in there, but that's why it's misfiring. You change spark plugs, the coil pack, the wires, and it's still misfiring. So we had a diagnostic ran on it, and that seems gonna be the problem. So we can remove the harness, the injector harness, and you have it hooked to this here, injector here, injector here. And we have one in the front here, one there, and one there. 6 injectors. So I'm going to remove the wires. We got a 10 millimeter here, 10 millimeter here, a 10mm here. Move that out the way. And you got a 10mm here. So you got 4 10mm bolts. We're gonna take the bolts out and remove the harness, and we'll be back. All right. We'll remove the injectors. Put a snap in them. One here. One here. One here. We have one here. One here. One here. And you'll move the metal coil, so you're gonna mix up the wires, but move the metal coil. Only metal. You're gonna unplug coil pack harness. You have the harness way down in there behind the motor. We'll move that harness. And we have a plug back here. It's a heat temper switch plug. Alright. And you can see you're gonna plug the injector harness. This the one that came off the Dodge Caravan. That's the old one. Wish I was showing the inside of it. And this the new one. So you have all the chromes. It's a new one. 5 at the top, 5 at the bottom. If you look at the old one, you'll see that it's missing some chromes. So we'll install it back. As you can see, we install all the hornet wires back on there. And we got the 2 plugs that cause the problem. We have this black plug here, the brown plug here, and these 2 plugs, well, actually the little connectors inside of these 2 plugs, they are burning loose. And then, you know, put the intake back on and all the other stuff. You get the picture. But that's how you put a injector harness on a 2012 Chrysler Dodge Ram Caravan.